to hit that, the class is recorded. So the homework was vector space of 3 by 3 matrices. First subspace was to check whether the sum of triangular matrices and the triangular matrices, when they are multiplied by a scalar, whether they are valid subspaces. So what about the subspace of set of low triangular matrices? Is it a valid subspace? Is it a valid subspace?
Ma'am, it's not a valid subspace.
Anyone? What is the reason?
First rule is not satisfying, ma'am.
So when you add two triangular matrices, you don't get a triangular matrix. Is it?
We'll get if we add the negative triangular matrix, then we'll get the zero matrix, ma'am.
If you add negative triangular matrix, you get the zero matrix. What about the others? There are remaining 56 students in the class, right? 55 students, right? So what about your answers? Put it in the chat box if you cannot speak now, and later you can speak, right? In the class you are not able to speak. Later you are very good in discussion. Please mention in the chat box your answers. I'm waiting for your answers. Answer for the homework problem. That means you have not solved it. None of you are mentioning anything. That means you have not solved it. So what about the subspace 2? Set of symmetric matrices. Set of symmetric matrices. Whether they are valid? I expect all of your responses. Based on your chat response, I will mark the attendance now. If you don't respond there, I will put the absent. Not only that, when you are asked to uh, turn on your camera and show the notes, and if you are not doing that, for that also you will be marked absent. Okay. So we'll proceed now. So today we'll discuss about the column spaces. Okay. So we have discussed about vector space and the subspace. Space associated with the vector is called as vector space, where we can represent the vectors, and the subsets of the vector space are called as subspaces, right? And the rules in the subspace should be same as the rules in the vector space. That means you can represent linear combination of the vectors in the vector space as well as subspace. The linear combinations include addition of the vectors as well as multiplication by scalars, right? So that is about the vector spaces and the subspaces, which are subsets of the vector space. Now there is something called as column spaces. How to represent the columns of a matrix? If you have a matrix, how you can represent matrix in a vector space? So for that we have a concept called as column space. So column space. So column space is equal to, or column space, all of you please write down, column space contains all linear combinations of the columns of vector A. Okay. Column space contains all linear combinations of columns of A. That means this is equal to linear combinations of columns of matrix A. Okay, whatever with the matrix. Okay. So it is also a subspace of R to the power m. Okay. It is a subspace of R to the power m. Now what is this m? So if you have a matrix, okay, if you have a matrix A, that is equal to 1 0 1 0 5 4 2 4. Okay, of the order. What is the order of this, Samrudh Raikar? What is the order of this matrix? Samrudh Raikar, quickly. Sandhya Holla. Sandhya Holla.
3 cross 2.
3 cross 2. So this is a 3 cross 2 matrix, a matrix A. So we will consider this example to explain what is a column space of A. So then this can be expressed as a linear combination as how we can express for the matrix form of a set of linear equations. How we can represent a matrix form of set of linear equations? Anyone? Ax is equal to B, right? This is a matrix form of set of linear equations where A is, what is A? vector of coefficients, x is a vector of unknowns, b is a vector of right hand side of the equation, right? So let us consider a system of equations having m is equal to 3 equations and n is equal to 2 unknowns. Now, till now, when we discussed about the basics in the first chapter, we considered a system of linear equations having same number of equations as well as that of the unknowns, right? So three system of equations having 3 equations with 3 unknowns, 2 equations with 2 unknowns. Now here I have considered a system of equations having 3 equations with 2 unknowns. So a coefficient matrix of such system, okay, can be taken as a matrix having 3 rows and 2 columns, which in turn tells you that there are 3 equations and 2 unknowns. Okay, now if A is a coefficient matrix of such system, which is 3 cross 2, Rahul, what should be the vector of unknowns? Or what should be the order?
Y.
Yes?
X and Y now.
X
2
and
cross
Y.
1.
So what is the order? 2 cross?
2 cross 1.
2 cross 1. So X and Y, or I will write it as U and V, anything you can write. That is equal to, what is B? Right hand sides of the equation, right? What should be the order? What should be the order?
3 cross 1.
Order should be 3 cross 1, right? Because this is A into X. So if the inner dimension should match with the multiplication, right? Vector A into vector X. So the output will be having the order 3 cross 1, right? You know that by the rule of matrix multiplication, right? So this should be having the order 3 cross 1. So this is a vector of right hand sides of the equation b1, b2, b3. Okay, b1, b2, b3. Now, what is column space of A? What is the column space of A? I have already discussed the definition. What is the column space of A? What is the column space of A? So we discussed so much. Column space, you can see the definition over there. Linear combination of columns of A. Right? It is a subspace of R to the power M. So we have to write this AX is equal to B form into the linear combination of columns of A. Now how to write that? So before writing a linear combination of columns of A, because that is equal to a column space can be represented as C of A. Now for a given matrix A, we can write the column space of A, which is a subspace of R to the power M. So what is M there? So just a statement to represent or to give you the notation for a column space of A. So it is column space of matrix A, okay, which is of the order 3 cross 2 is represented by C of A. C of A means column space of A. Which is a subspace of vector space. What is the vector space? R to the power m, right? It is given. R to the power m. What is m? What is m? So it is given
3.
that it is a subspace of R to the power m, where m is the number of equations
Questions.
or number of rows in a coefficient matrix, which is one and the same, or that is also equal to the number of elements in a column, right? The number of elements in a column of a matrix, and the columns are also equal to, or the columns are nothing but the vectors, right? So what is m? M is ultimately the number of components in a vector, right? The number of components in each of the vector, in each of the column of matrix A, right? Am I right understanding? M is nothing but the number of rows in a matrix. Number of rows is equal to number of equations, right? So number of rows is also equal to number of elements in each of the column of matrix A, right? And every column is nothing but a vector, right? So m is equal to the number of components or number of elements in each column vector of matrix A. So what is m? Value of m?
3, ma'am.
3. So value of m is 3. Now we will find how to get the column space of A. So please write down, with m greater than n, with m greater than n, with m greater than n, we have more equations than the unknowns. We have more equations than the unknowns. The system will be solvable. The system will be solvable only for subset of vector B. System will be solvable only for subset of vector B. Okay. Now system Ax is equal to B can be expressed as linear combination of columns of A. Linear combination of columns of A. As how we can write Ax is equal to B as a linear combination of columns of A. So the matrix form Ax is equal to B, which we have written in the top, can be also written as linear combination of columns of A as U into, anyone? Linear combinations of columns of A. So U into, what is the first column? 152
152
plus
044
V into 0
44.
44 is equal to B1, B2, B3. Okay. B1, B1, B2, B3. This is called as linear combination of columns of A. And the column space of A is equal to linear combinations of columns of a given matrix. Okay. Only if it produces some right hand side. Now U and V are the unknowns. Even the right hand side B1, B2, B3 are also not known. Now please try to understand here. If there exists a value of U and V, if there exists a value of U and V, which can give you the vector B, okay, or the right hand side of the equation, then that particular vector B comes under column space of A. Okay, for any value of U and V, okay, which can give you some right hand sides of the equation. That means for any value of U and V, if the system is solvable and you get some right hand side values B1, B2, B3, which is vector B, then the vector B, okay, vector B is under the column space of A. Okay, or vector B belongs to column space of A. Okay, if there exists U and V which produce vector B, okay, then that particular vector B belongs to column space of A. Understood? So you can write down, please write down, the system is solvable. The system is solvable when coefficients U and V exist. When coefficient U and V exists, it can produce some possible RHS, which can produce some possible RHS, right hand sides. Right hand sides, in bracket you write vector B. In bracket you write vector B. Now some possible values of U and V. Some possible values of U and V which can produce right hand sides B1, B2, B3. Okay. Sorry, some possible right hand sides are for U is equal to 1, V is equal to 0. I will take a simple example. Any values of U and V you can take and obtain a vector B. So if you substitute this in the linear combination of the columns, 1 into 5, 1 into vector 142 plus 0 into 044, which will give me 152, right? The first vector itself. So one more combination I will take, the inverse, the reverse of the first. U is equal to 0, V is equal to 1. Any values you can take. Any values you can take. Okay. There are many values, right? Any values you can take and obtain the right hand sides. All those right hand side values or the vector B will be under the column space of A. So 0 into vector 1 or column 1 moves into 0, 4, 4, which will give me the right hand side as vector 2 itself. Right? We can go on doing the values or substituting or taking different values for u and v. Now the concept is that if there exists unknown vector x, which is nothing but uv, or if there exist values u and v, which can produce some vector b, which is nothing but right hand sides of the equations, then vector b belong to column space of A. Okay, so are you clear about the column space of A? So if there are no values for which you can obtain the right hand side, then that means that particular equation is not solvable. Ax is equal to b is not solvable. And if it is solvable and you can apply some values of u and v to get the right hand side, then that particular right hand side, which is a vector b, right, b1, b2, b3, belongs to column space of A. Now any doubts here? So if there are no doubts, we will proceed to null space. So the next is null space. Now null space, please write down, the null space is solution to Ax is equal to 0. The null space is nothing but the solution to the equation Ax is equal to 0. In case of column space, it is Ax is equal to b, right? We are taking different values of unknowns u and v to get some vector b, and if the vector b exists for some values of u and v, that belongs to the column space of A. Here, null space is a solution to the equation Ax is equal to 0. Now, what is the solution to the equation Ax is equal to 0? This x, right? Solution to Ax is equal to 0 is the vector x. So, the solutions to Ax is equal to 0 forms a vector space and that is equal to null space of A represented by n of A. Okay. So the null space of a matrix, consists of all vectors x such that Ax is equal to 0. All vectors such that Ax is equal to 0. Okay. So if you have not completed anything, please let me know. You can unmute yourself and tell me to pause, because I will not come to know in between. So if you have not completed writing or you want time there, unmute yourself and tell me. Okay. If you don't tell me, I will not come to know, and later you should not blame. Without informing, you should not blame later. So disturbance may be the network issue, because here there is complete silence. There is no disturbance at all. Maybe the network problem. So then, did you understand? Now the column space, you know that it is a subspace of R to the power m, right? Column space is a subspace of R to the power m. So what is the null space then? null space is a subspace of R to the power n. Okay, null space is a subspace of R to the power n. Please write down. It is subspace of R to the power n. What is n? In a matrix, what is n? We say that the matrix is
Row.
of order m cross n. N is number of
Row.
rows.
Rows.
Columns. N is number of columns. So m is number of rows. So column space is a subspace of R to the power m, and the null space is a subspace of R to the power n, where n is the number of columns. Now quickly write down one note. This will give you complete clarity about the difference between null space and the vector space. Write down one note and then we'll solve some problems. To find column space of A, to find column space of A, the C of A, while solving for Ax is equal to B, all attainable right hand side B, right hand sides, that means they are B's, form column space of A. Okay. Done. To find column space C of A, while solving for Ax is equal to B, all attainable right hand sides, they are nothing but, you can write B in bracket, they are nothing but B's, vector, the elements of vector B, form, okay, not for, form column space of A. Next, to find null space of A, that is n of A, the solution to Ax is equal to 0. That is vector of unknowns x, vector of unknowns x forms null space of A. Okay, so the vector of unknowns x forms the null space of A, whereas in case of column space, the attainable values of right hand sides of the equation, that is vector B, forms the column space of A. So now this gives you the complete clarity about what is null space and what is vector space. Consider one problem. Find the null space of matrix A. Write down the question. Find the null space of matrix A. Where A is equal to 1 minus 1, 2, 3. So quickly do this. You can write the null space of matrix A. Null space of matrix A is equal to solution to Ax is equal to 0, right? So A is given 1 minus 1, 2, 3. So it is a 2 cross 2 matrix. Write down the vector of unknowns, and that is equal to dash, and solve it. So if I solve the class approach, it will tell that it is like a theory. So please solve it quickly. Ma'am is going on solving, he will say. So please do it. What is the vector of unknowns? Pooja, what is the vector of unknowns? Pooja, what is the vector of unknowns? Pooja,
Yes, ma'am.
what is the vector of unknowns? What is the order?
2 cross 1.
2 cross
2
1.
cross 1 then.
So take a vector of unknowns, u, v, x, y, or anything. So I will take x1, x2. Then this is 2 cross 1. So then right hand side, Satvik Shetty, right hand side. Right hand side, what is the order? What is the order of the matrix on the right hand side? Satvik Shetty, answer me. You are absent? I will mark you absent, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what is the order? Order of the matrix on the right hand side. Those who have already written it, please complete the solution. What is the order? It is a multiplication of two matrices, right?
2 into
A
2,
into
ma'am.
X.
2.
Yeah? What is it?
2 into 2.
2 into 2. Why it is 2 into 2? What should be the product? Order of the product?
4. 4.
This is a pathetic situation. You are multiplying matrix A with matrix X. Since the inner dimension match, you can multiply. Then what is the order of the product A into X? What should be the order of the matrix?
2 into 1, ma'am.
2 cross
1.
2 rows, 1 column. Okay. So if this basic understanding, if you don't have, you will obviously don't understand anything. Okay. You will obviously don't understand anything throughout. Okay. So now write down the equations. If I multiply these two, it will be Pritika. Tell me the multiplication of A into X.
x1
X1 minus X2 is equal to 0. Then
2x2
this is the first equation. 2x2 plus
plus 3x2
2x1, right?
2x1 plus 3x2
2x1 plus 3x2 is equal to 0. This is the second equation. Then please solve these and find the values of x1 and x2. How to solve? So you have two equations. Multiply 2 with equation 1. So it will be 2x1 minus 2x2 is equal to 0. First equation. 2x1 plus 3x2 is equal to 0 will be second equation. If you solve, if you subtract, this will get cancelled out. Minus 5x2 is equal to 0. So that means x2 is equal to 0. You got the x2 value, right? Now substitute x2 is equal to 0 in equation 1. Okay. So what you will get? If you substitute x2 is equal to 0, you will get, right? If you substitute x2 is equal to 0 in equation 1, you will get x1 is equal to 0. Now what is a null space of matrix A? Prithviraj, what is the null space of vector A? What is null space of vector A? Prithviraj is absent?
Yes, ma'am.
Prithviraj is absent. Yeah. What is the null space of vector A? What is the definition? What is the definition of null space of A?
Solution of equation of Ax equals 0.
What is the solution? Solution is the matrix of unknowns x. X has x1, x2. So null space of A is equal to vector x, which is x1, x2. That is equal to 0, 0. This is the null space of A. So write down one more problem. So this is the solution. So next problem. Find the null space and column space of a matrix. Find the null space and column space of a matrix A find the null space and column space of matrix A, where A is equal to 1 minus 1, 0, 0. That is, it is a 2 by 2 matrix. So the second problem, A is equal to 1 minus 1, 0, 0. Find null space N of A and column space C of A. First go for null space. So you can write the null space of A, that is N of A is equal to solution to the equation Ax is equal to 0, right? So find the values of x1 and x2. So this is A. Then vector of unknowns, x1 and x2, right hand side 0, 0. You have written Ax is equal to 0. Now solve this. First multiply A with x, that is matrix A with the vector x. What do we get? What is the first equation? Sachin, what is the first equation? x1
x1 minus
x2
is equal to
this
0,
is
ma'am.
yeah, then
Uh,
second
0
equation is
0 minus 0, ma'am.
0 minus 0 is equal to 0. This is the
0.
second equation. So what are the values of x and y? What do you get? From
x1
the
equal to
equation, you will
x2.
x1 is equal to x2. You will just get the relation here. X1 is equal to x2. Take any value. I will take one simplest value, that is equal to 1. Let x1 is equal to any value you can take. Just the relation is x1 is equal to x2 is equal to 1. Now write the null space of matrix A. Null space of matrix A is a vector of unknowns, that is x1, x2, that is equal to 1, 1. Okay. Now what is column space of A? Write down. Column space of A is equal to C of A, right? Column space of A is itself is C of A. You need not write it on the other side. Column space of A, that is C of A, is equal to linear combination of columns of A. Linear combination of columns of A. You have to just express this as linear combination of columns of A. What is the matrix A? So here it is of the form AX is equal to B, right? It is of the form AX is equal to B. So start with AX is equal to B. Matrix A is 1, minus 1, 0, 0. Matrix of unknowns is x1, x2. Right hand side you have B1, B2. Now column space of A is equal to linear combinations of columns of A. How you can write it as a linear combination? Anyone? x1 into the first vector plus x2 into the second vector. This is a column space of A, which is a linear combination of columns of matrix A. Now, if you want to find for a few values of x1 and x2, for which you get right hand side B1, B2, you can take some examples. Let x1 is equal to 1, x2 is equal to 0. Any values you can take. I will take the simplest value. So 1 into 1, 0 plus 0 into minus 1, 0. What will you give? What B vector on the right hand side? It will give you 1, 0. Right. So let x1 is equal to minus 1, x2 is equal to 0. Okay. These values are randomly taken. Any value you can take and get some vector B, and that vector B is a column space of that falls under the column or belongs to the column space of A. So x1 is minus 1, 1, 0 plus 0 into minus 1, 0, that is equal to minus 1, 0, right? So this is one vector B, and for the previous set of x1, x2 you got right one more vector B. All these vectors, vector B is equal to 1, 0, then minus 1, 0. This is for the second case. All of them forms the column space of A. Okay, so one or two values you can take and check whether you get B1, B2, the right hand side, and then you can leave it, or else it can be just expressed as a column space of A, which is equal to linear combination of vectors of matrix A. This is also represented as one more way. You can find it in some other textbooks, not in the textbooks given in the syllabus. Even in the NET or in some other books of linear algebra, the linear combination of columns of vector A is also called as span of A and written as 1 0 minus 1 0. These are nothing but the columns of vector A, right? So C of A, the column space of A is equal to the linear combination of the columns of vector A, that is also can be written as span of, it is one and the same, span of the columns of A. Span of A means linear combination of A, okay? Span of matrix A means linear combinations of columns of A. So thank you, I'll stop here.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, actually, I had a doubt regarding yesterday's homework.
Okay.
Yeah, ma'am. Actually, she said no, ma'am. We are getting null matrix. First
Yeah.
problem.
Yeah.
Null matrix can be considered as a lower triangular matrix, no, ma'am.
Null matrix is a matrix of zeros, right?
Yes, ma'am. Lower the triangular matrix define the same, no, ma'am.
Yeah.
Above or below the diagonal elements, if it's zero, then the matrix is triangular matrix, right?
Yeah. Yes.
So both the subspaces are valid, right?
Yeah. Actually, the answer is both of them are valid. Okay.
Yeah.
I
Okay.
wanted few more responses so that because most of them told that it is a not valid matrix, and only 2-3 responses were there. Actually, the answer for that is both of them were valid subspaces.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.